haere mai, come here, haere mai. Okay, the next one, no mai, welcome. Kuhu mai, which means come in. Someone's knocking at the door. What do you say? Kuhu mai. Kuhu mai. Where are you from? Now, you got to know this one too. If you want to learn how to speak Māori in 12 weeks. No hea koe. Where are you from? Would you like a drink? He inu mau. He inu mau. Yes, I would like a coffee. Ai, he kawhe māku. I would like a cup of tea. Ai, he cup of tea māku. And if someone says, kei te pēhea koe, kei te pai, I'm good. And you, me koe, me koe. Okay, excuse me, sorry. Ki aroha mai, ki aroha mai. Sometimes that's shortened to just aroha mai. Other people say motaku he. Motaku he means it was my fault. However, if it wasn't your fault, you could just say aroha mai, sorry. Okay, this is a beautiful day. He rangi ātāhua tēnei. He rangi ātāhua tēnei. Okay, now this is really important. Goodbye. It's a bit complicated in Māori because you have haerera, which is goodbye from the person staying to the person leaving. Haerera, haerera. The way to remember that is you go safely. You go safely. Haerera. And the response to that is e noho rā. E noho rā, which means goodbye from the person going to the person staying. So remember it like this. E noho rā means stay well, stay comfortable, stay cozy right there in your armchair. E noho rā, and you're leaving and they're staying. We also have hei konei rā, which means the person staying is farewelling the person leaving. And hei kona rā means the person going is farewelling the person who is staying. Hei kona rā, which means goodbye from the person going. The easiest way to remember this is if you're on the phone, right? And someone rings you up and you want to leave the call first, right? You're leaving, you say, hei kona. And yeah, so that means you're leaving first. Ka kite anō means see you again. Catch you later. See you later. And ka pai ki te tūtaki i a koe means nice to meet you.